Hello, this is Dom, and today we are covering how to get analytics information regarding your um, posts in Google Analytics on the VantagePoint blog. Now, okay, so um, we got a couple of blog posts. Actually, it looks like some of this is going to require access to the greater, like all VA Google account or Google Analytics account. We'll get to that. I'll show you how to do that because I have access to that as well. But if you're looking for just VantagePoint, we'll cover that for this and this. Um, yep. All right. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Usually, what I do if I'm looking for metrics on a specific post, I'll hop into behavior here, go into site content, all pages. And then there's a couple ways to go about this. One is to just say you could try to take the title and see if you can search for that. But one thing you'll find is that as you can see in this cell, the title and the hyperlink aren't exactly the same. So I might just go in here and I'll probably grab some of this hyperlink. You can grab the whole thing if you want. Which I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to copy that, and then I'll go over here. You see this little search box right here? I'm going to click in here. I'm going to paste it. Now, it may be that you'll need to adjust the date range. So I don't know exactly when this post was published. So I'm going to go and set the start date way back here in February and put the end date on the 5th, which is today. And I click apply, and that'll help me find out like when was this blog post published. And it looks like well, I wasn't far off. February 13th is no, February 14th is when it was published. So if I drop this back to February 13th, forgive the sound in the background, then I can get a better idea of the overall amount of traffic that went to this post. So here we go. Notice there's different permutations of this link as well. This is the original. This is, hashtag comments, which is probably a post in the comment section. So like somebody clicking through to the comments section for some reason. And these might be like individual comments or something. This is, or part of a campaign of some sort because it looks like it has a query function or a query string at the end. So that's usually what that stuff is, but it's minimal as far as overall traffic is concerned. So regardless of whatever it is, it's not really a whole lot. But anyway, it's there anyhow, and now you see that overall you have 2,299 page views on this post. So let's, oops, there we go, Excel. Let's head over here. Well, this would have been good information to have looked at ahead of time. It goes back to February 14th. But what we're doing over here is I'm going to throw some stats if I have them. So what do I got? 2,299 page views. I'll just go up here. Page views. I have to expand that at some point. Right here, 2,299. And go freeze this page layout. Here we go. Freeze top row. All right, so this one's 2,299. What else do I want? Time on page, maybe. AVG time on page. Enter. For this one, oh geez, why does it not like me? There we go. Average time on page was about 330. It's kind of hard to, oh, yeah, 330 for overall, 330. What other info can I glean? Entrances, bounce rate. Let me do the bounce rate. Bounce rate. 84.83%. And percent of exits, I guess I could do that. Is 77.82. All right, and I mean, we could do entrances. If you look over here, it says entrances is the number of times visitors entered your site through a specified page or set of pages. I mean, that's useful, I guess, but I don't know. All right, well, I'll just add that in there. After time on page, insert, and we'll go entrances. It's probably because they clicked a link somewhere and went straight to this post. 1,691. So there's all the data for, oh, this is in the wrong format. Darn. Custom, no, I don't want custom, I want number. Nope, not that kind of number. There we go. Cool. So that's that post. Let's try this other one. Blogs.va.gov. No, I did not want to actually go to this post. Just kind of copy this number down and then go over to analytics, and we'll close this out and search for this number. All right, and it looks like we have a very similar situation. There's a /56659 version, which is 247. So I'm just going to go with the overall totals there. And so, kind of close this down a little bit. Page views was 2047, 2,047. I think I skipped unique page views. You can do that. It's basically like some people will go back to a page. Like it appears that a couple hundred people went back to that page after they looked at it the first time. If you want, you can add the unique page views as well. Average time on page is 307. Entrances 1,279. Bounce rate 76.4%. Exit 67.56. 67.56. Enter. Do you want unique page views? I'll do unique page views as well. Insert. It's probably going to screw this up too. So let me do that. 1,826. And I can go back up here and do this one as well. Oops. Copy that. Back to analytics. Paste it and search. One more time. Unique page views is 2,079. So 2,079 unique page views. All right. So the rest we're going to have to grab from actual va.gov data. So I'm going to have to switch accounts here. I'll go to analytics. Nope. Open it in a new tab maybe. And I had to switch to a different account so that I have access to that. Dominique.Ramirez at va.gov. And there we are. Now, as I mentioned, usually I just grab a section of the link, copy that, and then I'll go over here into behavior, site content, all pages, and then you probably want to set your date range. I'll do that in a second. All right, March 6th. No, I'm going to go back to January because I have no idea when this was published, although it says it right here. Not too far off. January 17th. Just doing a little bit of loading here. Not sure how long this will take. All right, cool. Now I'm going to paste this in here. A press release.cfm ID equals 5183. And it's going to search and tell me all the information for that one, which is nothing. Oh, wow. Okay. We are on the va.gov website. Hmm. All right, well, let's try something different. We'll cut that out of there and try press release. All right, well, at least we got some press releases now. I don't know why it didn't show up, but what were we looking for? 5183. Huh. 5187. Oh, top 100. Let me do a Command F 5183. All right, well, there we go. Don't know why it didn't work with the full end of the hyperlink there, but here is this information. We can go ahead and click on this to drill down to just this one press release. Actually, probably shouldn't have done that, but because I got other press releases to look up. Yeah. Let's go. Well, okay. I'll just grab this information while I'm here, and then we'll go back. So this one, 5183, we got page views 2,942. Next, unique page views 2,742. Average time on page 411. Entrances 2,066. Bounce rate 63.2%. And average, exits is 73.56%. Cool. All right, so like I said, I should probably go back one because that page had all the data on it. So now, since I have all the press releases up here, this one is 5195. I should be able to just Command F, do a search for 5195, and we're right there. So let's see, page views 3,125, tab. Let's go ahead and use my Excel spreadsheet as like a straight line to keep me in the right row. Unique page views 2,943. Time on site 348. Entrances 2,392. 73.74. 74%, and 75.68%. Then the next one was 5203, so I come back over here, search for 5203. What do you know, it's right here. Use my straight edge here, and I go to page views, 6,237, uniques 5,008, 59, time on page 523, entrances 4,885, bounce rate 73.2%, and then 76.7%. All right, already got this one, 5207. So change one number, enter, and what do you know? It's right there. So page views, 8, 761, 8158, 323, 6789, 73.51, and 67.36. This is on VA Insider. You're gonna have to talk to Jennifer Sardum about that. I don't have VA Insider data inside of Salesforce. I mean, inside of Google Analytics. So that should be it. I think. Let me expand this out and scroll up. Yep. Except for this insider post. That should be everything. And that's how you get data out of Google Analytics for a specific post. You just basically take a piece of the hyperlink, typically, and you'll search for it in that little search box like I showed you. And if you can't get any results, then try, a smaller piece, maybe something specific, or in this case I used press rel, and that worked, like press rel or press release. For some reason the .cfm $ID equals whatever didn't work. So I had to shorten it down to press release, and then you can just do a search on the page, Control F on a Windows computer or Command F on a Mac, and you have this search box, and it'll actually search the web page for specific information that you're looking for. In this case, ID numbers was an ideal thing to look for, so that's how I did it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.